Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious pea soup. First, we're going to turn our Instant Pot on to saute on low heat. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. I'm using Yoko's, but use whatever you'd like. We just want the butter to melt. Then I'm adding a half a cup of diced onions and 2 pounds of frozen peas. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to need 5 cups of water. You can use less if you want it to be a bit thicker. To that, I'm going to also add 5 bouillon cubes, but you can use less if you want. I like this soup to be a bit on the saltier side. Now we will add the lid and set it to pressure cook on high for 30 minutes. If you want some extra protein in this, you can prepare that now. I am using a seitan that I got at an Asian market that resembles pork. I'm going to dice that up into smaller pieces. When the soup is done and natural pressure has released, go ahead and grab an immersion blender and blend it up. You can do this in a normal blender. You will just need to let the soup cool down first. Blend it to your desired consistency. I like mine relatively smooth. Then I like to squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add my protein. You can eat this right away, or I like to set it to slow cook for a while to let the seitan really meld with the soup and keep it warm for dinner time. Top with your favorite fixins and enjoy.